What's up, beautiful people? My name is Raffaele, I'm the CEO of Escape Campus, and then today I'm here with Jake.
Hi, my name's Jake and I'm a teacher here at Escape Campus.
So, today we are going to cook some nice spaghetti carbonara. And I'm Italian. Where are you from, Jake?
I'm British, so obviously I have no idea how to cook a carbonara.
So, what have you brought to make your version of carbonara?
So I've got some olive oil, black pepper, Italian diced pancetta, double cream, eggs, spaghetti, garlic, onions and some herbs to finish the garnish with. Okay, so let's start cooking. Let's chop the onion and the garlic now. You can add some oil. That's she crying.
So what's the next step?
I think we're going to get the yolk from the egg. I actually have no idea how to do this.
What have you done?
I'm trying to get the yolk.
How? You can stay for ages like this. What do you need? The yolk?
The yolk. I need to get the yolk.
Okay, let me show you. The right way to take the yolk is this one.
Ah.
So the yolk goes inside. You want to try it?
Yeah, sure. It's gone a bit.
Et voila.
Next, double cream.
Double cream, delicious.
Add that into there. Give it a whisk.
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 This is whisk.
This motion. Next, we need to add the pancetta.
So the pancetta. What animal is the pancetta?
A pig?
Pig.
It's from a pig, yeah. Britain, we just call it bacon. Now fry the pancetta. Okay, so let's check the pasta.
So how do you check when the pasta is ready?
So this is an old trick. When the pasta is finished, when it's ready.
Okay. What? What's this, Jake?
When the pasta is ready, you throw it at the wall and it sticks.
So if you throw...
If it sticks, it's ready.
That means that now it's not ready?
Now it's not ready because it hasn't stuck.
Okay, up to you.
A few more minutes.
They look like ready.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but okay, let's add the carbonara sauce. Ooh, yeah. Now spaghetti. Yeah.
Alright.
Mix it together. I'm hungry already.
Me too.
Lovely. Okay, so we have some parsley and basil. This is Jake's British carbonara. Bellissimo.
So, Jake, obviously, you know, I love you, but you know, I cannot eat this. Sorry about that. So guys, we had fun. Hope you liked Jake's version of carbonara. On the next video, you will see me teach Jake how to make a proper Italian carbonara.
Can't wait.
I'll see you on the next video.